It's very exciting for me today. I get to meet one of my clients. Her name is Sandra, and we've been working on her bathroom for about 6 months now, and it's finally done. So I'm gonna go see it. Follow me.
Hi,
Sandra.
how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to finally meet you as well.
Meet you. Got you some flowers for your
Thanks.
new bathroom.
Didn't have to do that.
Oh, my pleasure.
Come on in.
Lovely home. Thank you.
Thank
you. Thank you so much for having us here, Sandra. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
How did your renovation go?
It went well.
Yeah.
Sam and his team were really great. Very professional, efficient, and clean, which was really a big issue because
Yes,
of the
for sure.
condo and the rules and the neighbors.
Yeah.
So that was a big relief to me. That was one of my biggest
Because
concerns.
this was your first renovation.
Right, so I'm brand new to renovations, and you hear a lot about horror stories where things go wrong, contractors leave you high and dry, and your project's only half done. And I didn't want to deal with that. Then I started searching online with a bunch of different sites. Like you look at review sites, Home
Right.
Stars, you look at various individual renovating contractors and their individual sites, you see their pictures and stuff, and you see their personal reviews. But it's hard for me to judge which ones are still good. I mean,
Yes.
everything can look good online, but I needed help finding like who could be verifiable. And Reno-Assistance, when you read through what they provide exactly that. One, I had a primary contact that didn't change throughout the whole project yourself. You were familiar with what I needed, and you knew all the contracts that had been submitted to me and how to sort of analyze them or whatnot, talk through them. As the process went through, you guys follow to keep things legal and on time and on schedule, so
Yes.
that helped a lot.
We basically send 3 contractors your way. The important thing for us is for you to feel a little bit of the essence to get the perfect match. Tell me, how was the meeting with the third contractor?
With Sam, honestly, his first impression was great. He was upfront and understood exactly what kind of timeline we were going to be dealing with a condominium and getting approvals, right? I said, I'm ready to start right now. Like if you're the guy I'm picking, can you basically get going next month? And he was honest, saying, it's not going to happen that fast. You have to submit paperwork to your board. You've got to get approvals, right? And then we're going to have to
guide you through the process.
Well, he understood what was going to, and he nailed it. Every detail he mentioned about what I could and couldn't do, he was right on spot. That's ultimately why I picked him.
That's interesting to me because yes, we want amazing renovations done. We want meticulous, impeccable work, but the experience as well is all part of a renovation because they're in your home, they're in your environment for 2 weeks, 3 weeks sometimes. So the experience was pleasant with our contractor.
Oh yeah.
I never get to see the projects live, so I'm happy I got to see it. It looks beautiful. I'm
you.
happy with the work. You're happy with the work. Hopefully I'll work on your next project and we'll talk soon.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Sandra.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.